Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back on our 100-day challenge. Day 25, going strong, going healthy, going wise, going and always excited as always to come back and be with you. And guys who are listening this video for the first time, this is a 100-day challenge where we have embarked on a journey to undiscover some facts of life and make our life more happier, more fun, and more outliving. And consider subscribing to my channel and share your thoughts, inputs, your feedback. It's always welcome. And I think the topic for the day is, as always, when I saw my tea bag message today, it had a message. We are born complete and we are born wise, and that's so very true. God has given us everything. We are complete in all sense. We don't have to look for anything outside us. Everything is within us. The only thing is that we have to trust. We have to just give it, just be on our way, and just have confidence in Almighty in this universe, in this everything. There is always an abundance over here in this. And the only thing is, we just have to open our arms and let that things comes to you. So I think that message, when I read it, I thought, man, this is really good. And that's, if you see in our previous video, we have been talking the same thing, that we are born with complete. We are total in ourselves. We don't have to look for anything outside us. Everything lies within us. The life is an inside job. We need to discover ourselves. We need to pat ourselves. We need to be our biggest supporter. We need to just have confidence in God. It's all about us actually, and that's where the life, we just make our life more complicated when we look outside ourselves, what others are doing, what others are having, what others are thinking, and all that kind of thing. But if internally, if we look inside and make our things more simpler, everything outside will become good. Couple of days back, we took an exercise where we were where we I advise to put on your 5-10 strengths of you and keep on reading. Spend some 5-10 minutes every day morning, religiously committed, and just connect with those qualities. That will make you proud. That will make you happy. Yes, that's what you are. That's what we are. And but when we go in the outside world, when we hear something different, we feel, okay, this is what we are. No, that's not the truth. Truth is inside you. You don't have to look for other people to tell what is you. You know what you are. And God has given us, each one of us has been gifted us with some unique thing. No one, that qualities, no one can have possessed that. It's only the need we discover how those qualities, what are those qualities, and just polishing those qualities, just be on the path, on that path of making that quality or hobby or strength more powerful. And that's where I think, guys, the leaders or the successful businessmen, they never give up. They just I was reading, as my coach was telling me about the story about the Walt Disney, and he said that before, when he was trying to build up Disney, and he before that he filed 2 times bankruptcy, but he never gave up. He even the Disney World where it is built, it was a kind of it was not a good land. It was like unleft land by the government, and he said no, he wants to build a Disney over there. And after filing 2 bankruptcies, also he never used to let his spirit goes down. He used to always travel in first class, because he said that I am what I am. I need not to uh, let other people say me, or let my circumstances let me know what I am. I am what I am. And he had a complete trust on himself. He had a complete belief in himself. He had a complete trust on God, on Almighty. And he knew that whatever he's doing will be a revolution. And today, if you think Walt Disney or the Disney World and the Disney, they change the mode of transportation, the mode of entertainment, the amusement parks, everything got changed. He revolutionized so many things, and today, if you see, Disney Park is the dream destination of the every child in across all the world, actually, entire world. That's the power he had with him, and he never let this power. He never let go his power because of others, and that's where, guys, we have that power in ourselves. We have to be, we just have to be committed to ourselves. This is what I am, this is who I am, and this is what I can do. Just believe in that, and just believe in your strengths, and keep on polishing your skills, keep on polishing your strengths. Everything will come good to you, guys. There are so many stories about so many players, Michael Jordan, and I was talking about a couple of days back about a movie called Bill, the Peaceful Warrior, about Dan Millman, who was a gymnast, and he never gave up whatever his situation, whatever his circumstances were, and he went to become the Olympic gold medalist. So that's where I think our end vision has to be very important. Our commitment is very important. So I think you would have loved this video. As always, your feedback, your input, your insights, your any topic you want to cover as a whole for this community, any suggestions you have for this channel to make it more impactful, to make it more outreach for our for our community, it's always welcome. Any name you have suggestion for this channel, any way, any videos, thoughts, suggestion for improving our videos or something like that, it's all, I'm always open for that. Do share your insights, inputs, as always, and guys who are sharing it, I really appreciate that, and really look forward for all more comments, more inputs, and more insights. So guys, and do consider subscribing to my channel, and as always excited to come back and meet you guys. Till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.